Mama wakwaba midi ede adwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Honorable Haruna Idrusu, former minority leader, de my NDC Amayoku no. Papa ya nano NDC for omu new leaders omu besa ke no ede obi foforo ebe replace ni e Parliament House no kase. Adenya Ose 2024 NPP for Munjina ye because Ashanti region a more stronghold no omobeye juma oho basa no more winning 1.5 million votes at the aka Volta region ho then 2024 omobe winning buja NPP for mobere because Volta region ya dia wono de ombe be de obecha ba mamo enti honorable say onya 1.5 million every Ashanti region there and then NPP for 2024 munjin abrel e wo hemfa na eno e na NPP communicators a omo Ashanti region omo man reply na reply omo dem man nyina ne say who is NPP for yenso yada se bi ye jimi e na ye gina ho na bebia yen vote fi no ya manamo mo abeje 1.5 million efi ho communicator say on blaming honorable on blaming the cry because pressure NDC for the actual so enya sem ketwa enti na okekasa no na mo NDC for obi amose mo pe 1.5 million votes every Ashanti region na mo de aka mo aba ho anwini na mo abo Kelvin pa out to US otutu bi mane asantifo ahemfofo empanifo ene ade ache ade ase o penda da John Dramani Mahama o tue sikani se Kelvin Taylor enya asantifo we na mo pa 1.5 million no mo kwa mo eche 2 million po munya na NPP fo eche se won so want na se 2024 mo ye adwuma yie papa enti se voter region mo de mo ani kire fa mo pe ho ba bi mfa because NPP fo no nya de wonya vote fi ho voter region what to about want to be mawe enti se NPP 19 and when in a one saying now Ashanti region and the 2024 everybody and near his excellence and I don't go for the aye on the bahu or more underground work see offense chairman to me Ashanti regional chairman when we radio so came deal that be or she fame a Juma 2024 and this form when it does some women in Ashanti region there moon to menda because 1 million 1.5 no more canon 2 million po munya de Kelvin Taylor to US ototo mane asante fo mpanifo na otumfo o say tutu ya kai munya bi enti munya din ebusanfo yentie reply ya communicate ede Emma Honorable Haruna Idrusu e won nsem ode atodwa a wo trese 2024 omo beye bia so mbe mini 1.5 million votes ama NDC no omo Haruna ntimi ammo sidom dia no ban santimamu na obepe 1.5 million Haruna Idrisu, I want to be very respectful, but you see, I agree with him. The more treatment at John Mahama and the team, the cabals, at the young one can be here, but to make a very wrong statement. What is a want to make grand and say what you want to me these days doesn't talk. Said your first, you hear him on radio. People will say he's nobody speaks on radio again. We are on the field, listening to the problems and solving them. Omahine yadamwase sometimes me just will be afraid me omahine boyachi me si jai wanka enye yie omahine want to thank you omo frame de bia o se do tell me say no ebusia for reply we na aba yentie ensem no ninja so yes a lot where the issues in Kwabre in terms of roads and me no kasana 3 days ago I was in Kwabre o come and Pontin town roads o Kenya State town roads Nina all gutters have been done. I can't see a big bit to me. The aka a be our quan to one other few areas. I would just say by 2024 election, all these areas will not see quota and see new roads that has been constructed. On some quantum and so do be the last time I call Manso do I even wept. But as we speak, Manso do be a part of their roads are under construction. Meaning, opinion, no. And the first year meeting, regional council meeting here strategize about a quiet winning election 2024. Kwabre, chairman,
any executive or me who may or them ho. But as we speak, any committee, Kasani form, it tells you, my boy, Penny Urban Roast Director on crime. Urban Roast Director, Mr. Amo Godfred. Amo Godfred. Mr. Amo Godfred. And then minim the obeno say obi TM or television so on can channel. I think so free in Tonso and Asa Boa so baby. A fantastic developmental person. Ashanti Rose. Any acquire course or Ghana or so we're very concerned about it. Mr. Amo Godfred. I'm telling you. I've had opportunity to meet him several times. And see all kind of issues in Libya, references of my contractors are running, how the government and Oman rules need to one among you will be shocked. And see all Kasani Yama winning a boma, Yai Dean, your tertiary. Some Chinchina election or Ashanti region. But you see, Kwabna, any wouldn't come and Kwabna Busa Assembly said, the NDC, what are their strategies? For all you know, they are standing on something. Yes. They are standing on something. Nanka Opa Ashanti region. What do you compare? Vote NDC and Ashanti region. Don't see what they get in voter region. Ashanti, ye tipa ni baby ye nyina yeso ye politics nyina na Ashanti hene ye kotoni asore ni aboyemu. John Mahama sponsor Kelvin Taylor. We know it's a public knowledge. You know. Yeti kroma. Santina Musimo. Oh, my brother, Mami Kasa. Yeti kroma. Mona motai Kelvin Taylor chi. Na o twi Asantefo achi na Santin tumfo atitiri kroma o twi achi di atem. Haruna Idris went to mobilize vote in the northern region. I want to be so respect and decorous to Haruna. In 2016-2020 elections, out of 31 MPs in the whole of the northern region, NPP we had 16 and this year 15. What is Haruna Idris doing in the northern region? We sent only Mahmoud Baumia, Mahmoud Nkwafa, Sidamuni Nyina Abonebo, and out of 31 MPs, now NDC near was 3. MPP near was 3 out of 31 seats. And then NPP was 16, NDC was 15. Northern region Sunni na Ampono. The leadership was Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Jeffrey Monsam. One team and more Haruna and Timia more Sidam Diano buying. Santimemuna, all better 1.5 million. Haruna Idrisu, I want to be very respectful, but you see, I agree with him. The more treatment at John Mahama and the team, the cabals, and the young one can be beer, but to make a very wrong statement. What is a want to make grand and say what you want to me these days doesn't talk. Say the first, you hear him on radio. People will say he's nobody speaks on radio again. We are on the field, listening to the problems and solving them. Omahine yadamwase sometimes me just will be afraid me omahine boyachi me si jai wanka enye yie omahine we want to thank you omo frame me da bia o se do tell me ma send no message omahine woni kwabna ne menua ohine ninom de mo ye biara ye democracy, one of the roles of the media, so be constructive criticisms and insult. So one of the reasons why I appreciate the work you do it with that genuine heart. And it put pressure on us. People like you, Nyamwa, Ebianka, that statement they are and say, so I'm interchanged by Friday, by next week. He said, leader cannot sacrifice the credibility for OTV. Leader will say, some my back and he has a so parliament. You say, Bibia. Say, me, I'm a pick for.